We started with the actual digital file that was used to build Tony's Gauntlet in the movie. So we got those files from the studio as a starting point. As we got into it, it eventually ended up taking us about 6 months to get this right. The engineers at the Hasbro team tried 4 different kinds of rubbers with what we call different durometer, which means and then we had to do several different switches that actually touch the 2 fingers together. So when they touch, they know that they've been activated, and they release when they come apart, just like a snap. It wasn't easy. You know what? It came together pretty good. Yeah. So one feature we had to have on this gauntlet was removable stones. We built a mechanism in there so you actually can remove the stones and replace them. And every time you do, you get that great Infinity Stone sound for every single play. One thing that the entire team is incredibly proud of is when you get this gauntlet and you put it on, it is absolutely as accurate as it can possibly be. Which is one of the biggest things for me is whenever you get some of these products home, especially the ones that are this Hasbro Legends line. My children, my daughters love to see it and play with it and getting inspired and engaged with it as well. And it's something that I'm very proud of. I'm very proud of Hasbro for working so hard on this. And I'm really proud of the collaboration that we were able to provide between Hasbro and our studio to bring all of these things to life. But this one in particular is really, really fun. And I can't wait for people to get their hands on it.